Number 4, we have a solution is prepared by dissolving 396 grams of sucrose in 624 grams of water. It wants to know the vapor pressure of the solution at 30. And it gives you the vapor pressure of water is that. All right, 31.8 millimeters of mercury at 30 degrees Celsius. So when I see vapor pressure, all right, okay, we got vapor pressure, we have a solute and a solvent, and then the vapor pressure of a solution. And sucrose is a solid; it doesn't really evaporate. So I'm thinking that the vapor pressure of the solution would be equal to the mole fraction of solvent times the vapor pressure of pure solvent. All right, and so the pressure of the solution, the mole fraction of water, times the vapor pressure of pure water. All right, so that's what I'm thinking we need to do in this when I read this. All right, so what do we need to know? We need to know the mole fraction of water because we have the vapor pressure of water. All right, this is 31.8 millimeters of mercury. Mole fraction. So we have to go to moles. So I have 396 grams of C12H22O11. Right? And so if we do the molar mass, right, carbon is 12.01. So we'd have 12 times 12.01 plus 22 times 1.01 plus 11 times 16. So 12 times 12.01 plus 22 times 1.01 plus 11 times 16. I get 342.34. All right, so 396 divided by 342.34. I get 1.15674475667. I have what? 3 sig figs, so I got 1.16 moles of C12H22O11. Water. We got what? 624 grams of water. And we know water is 18.02 grams, 1 mole. So for water, 624 divided by 18.02, I get 34.6281908999, and again 3 sig figs, so 34.6 moles of H2O. So now we can come down, all right, the pressure of the solution equal to the mole fraction. So the mole fraction of water. Now this is the tricky part, right? Water goes on top, 34.6 moles of water. And then we have our moles of sugar, which is 1.16 moles, multiplied by our 31.8. So that's 34.6 divided by 34.6 and 1.16 times 31.8. I get 30.768456375. And with 3 sig figs, I get 30.8 millimeters of mercury. All right, which is lower than the pure, right? The pure is right there, 31.8, and this is 30.8. Now, if you look, it's, this is what? 35.8 moles, 34.6, so it's not like it's mostly water. And so, therefore, it's mostly the vapor pressure of pure water, but it's a little bit less. Hopefully that one works.